Hello and welcome back to the channel. Richard here, and I am going to share another video with you. This is all for my channel where I take photos, learn stuff and share it with everybody. So welcome back. It's great to have you and to see everyone on this autumn evening. Okay, so what I've got here is I've got a few photos in Lightroom that perhaps I forgot to rename as I brought them into Lightroom, and I'm going to rename them now in the library module. Really easy to do. A few clicks of the mouse button, you will get this without question, so easy, but I thought I'd share it in case somebody else found it useful. So before we do that, thank you for being here. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel because there's plenty more of these coming up. It means a lot to me if you do, as I try and grow my channel and provide some valuable content to people that might be starting out. So let's jump into Lightroom now and have a look. Okay, so here we have all the photos that I'm going to rename. They are named already, but I'm just going to rename them to show you how to do it. It's so easy. There's some photos I took at the Barcelona Grand Prix last year, or the Spanish Grand Prix last year, when we were allowed to be there. Remember the good old days where we could go to places with other people, socialise? Yeah. Anyway, so really easy to do. You're going to find the images you want to rename. You highlight all of them. You come to the top, click on, first, sorry, let me go back. Make sure you are in the library function, because I know that you can rename them in the develop function. So library function, highlight the photos you want to rename. You click on library. You come down to rename photos. Now there's several options that you can do here. You've got all these different options that are generally pretty good for most people, but you may want to do something a bit more creative, in which case you can go in here and you can add each of these functions. So you've got the image name, you can pick options, you can pick the sequence and the date. So you could have the image name followed by sequence, or the image name followed by date, or metadata. You could bring back anything in here really, so there are quite a few possibilities. I tend to just go with the custom name and sequence, so Barcelona GP, Barcelona F1 1000, Barcelona F1 blah blah blah, and these are then the numbers that I've got that you can see here. So we're gonna cancel that because that's fine. So I'm going to call this, let's rename it to Spanish GP Favorites, and I'm going to start at 1000 because I always start at 1000. So if you've got photos that go over 100, then if you start at 1 and you start getting different characters in there, it's not important. Pick whatever sequence you like, but I go with 1000. So you just click on OK, and if you got, as I click on OK, watch the names up here. There we go. Okay, what you have to do next is nothing. That's it. I told you it's simple, really easy. Anyone could do it with a computer and Lightroom, obviously. And I hope that was useful. So what I'm going to do now is show you really quickly for the shoot, learn, share, speedy section. Okay, so welcome to the speedy section, the fast section. We are going to rename all of these images really quickly. You click on the first one, you click on the last one, and you've highlighted them all. You press Ctrl A and highlight them all. You go to the menu, you click on library, you click on rename photos. You pick the options that you want to do here, whether it be the name, the original file number, the sequence, the date, etc. You can explore that at your leisure. I'm going for this. We are going to call this Barcelona Rename Fast. I'm starting at 1000. It will go up to, there's 11 images, so it'll go up to 1010. We're going to hit OK, and it has renamed them all from 1000 to 1010. So there we go. I hope that was useful. As I said before, it would mean a lot to me if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for loads more videos like this as I go through Lightroom, learn things, share things. I get out there and shoot, and you guys will be the first to know. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you liked the video, and we will see you in the next one.